Hey guys, it's Ewan and this is Lutong Marisyu. So, today we're going to be making mango float with Leche Flan on top. But before we go right into the video, click the subscribe button and hit notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, so first off, we're going to make the Leche Flan. We're going to start off with the caramel. We're going to pour in a half cup sugar, 4 tablespoons water, mix that around, and microwave for 5 minutes or until it turns golden brown in color. Next, immediately pour into a 10 by 10 by 3 pan. We have to work fast to spread evenly and set aside. Next, grab 1/4 cup water, and to that we're going to add 2 packs of gelatin powder. Mix that around and set that aside to bloom. Then in a huge bowl, we're going to grab 2 whole eggs, and we're going to beat it until it's very smooth. After, we're going to pour in a half can Dulce De Leche condensed milk, and mix well. Then, after mixing, set aside for later. Now on a stove, we're going to turn on to low heat. Then add 1 can evaporated milk, 2/3 cup cream cheese, room temperature, in a hot pot, and mix well. Now add the bloom gelatin. Mix until it's simmering, but never bring the mixture to boil. Then transfer a small amount into the egg mixture while stirring. Since this mixture is still hot, we're going to add only a small amount because then now the mango float. Now grab 600 grams mangoes frozen and grab a bowl plus a sieve, and we're going to add all of our mangoes on the sieve and set these mangoes aside. Next, in a cold bowl, we're going to add 2.5 cup whipping cream. Also make sure the whipping cream is also cold. Beat until it doubles. Once the whipping cream has reached stiff peaks, we're going to add 1 can of condensed milk. Beat again until very well mixed. Okay, so now we're about to assemble. We're going to spoon out some of the caramel sauce so then we could use it later on. Lay out the lady fingers with the smooth side laying down. Then, after we've laid out all of our lady fingers, we're going to add half of the whipping cream mixture. Spread evenly. And finally, add a half of macerated mangoes. Spread the mangoes evenly and repeat the same process.